In 1948, the United Nations adopted a document called the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. This document spells out the rights for all human beings, that we're born free and equal, that all rights are endowed without consideration of any kind, such as race, color, sex, language, religion, political or other opinion, national or social origin, property, birth, or other status. It does not, however, mention sexual orientation or gender identity. With this being the 60th anniversary of the original UDHR, France and the Netherlands have decided to offer up an additional declaration which would add protections based on sexual orientation and gender identity. 66 nations have signed on to show their support. Among the nations refusing to sign are Syria, Saudi Arabia, China, and the United States. Yeah, the United States has chosen to follow the lead of human rights giants such as China and Saudi Arabia. The draft of the document states, "We urge states to take all the necessary measures, in particular legislative or administrative, to ensure that sexual orientation or gender identity may under no circumstances be the basis for criminal penalties, in particular executions, arrests, or detentions." It is non-binding. States are being urged, not directed, to follow the declaration. The fear in the United States is that this could affect the exclusion of service for gays in the military. It could impact the ability of the federal government to allow the states to enact their own homosexuality laws. These notions, of course, are crap. Homosexuality is still illegal in 7 nations: Saudi Arabia, the United Arab Emirates, Mauritania, Nigeria, Sudan, Yemen, and Iran. These are the same nations, along with China and Russia, that the United States is now getting its social guidance from. That should scare the hell out of everyone living in the U.S. Not just LGBT folks, everyone. The Syrian envoy, who was speaking on behalf of 58 nations who reject the declaration, claimed that genetic factors of homosexuality haven't been proven, and the protections for something that is considered essentially a choice shouldn't be extended. Language, religion, political opinion, and social origin, as provided by the original charter, on the other hand, are clearly hard-coded into our DNA. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights is a good idea, including a provision which protects everyone against discrimination based on sexual orientation and gender identity is an imperative.